Sineo Microwave Chemistry Technology Company Limited is founder and leader of microwave chemistry technology in China. Started from 1994, Sineo has over 8,000 end users around the world. Sineo was awarded BCEIA Gold Prize 3 times by China Association for Instrumental Analysis and being selected supplier of the National Bureau of Quality Inspection. Sineo has been certified for both ISO 9001-2008 and CE product certificate. Now Sineo's product has been shipped to over 40 countries and regions around the world. Sineo has been striving to innovate and develop new technologies in microwave chemistry as well as analytical chemistry areas. With its 20 years experience, Sineo focuses on developing advanced microwave chemistry instrument with more than 20 patented technologies. Sineo's instruments are known for their safety, reliability, convenient operation, and comprehensive after-sales support.
Sineo Microwave Chemistry Company is among the best microwave instrument manufacturers in the world. We strive to innovation and keep refreshing new records in the industry. We understand customer very well, and we are professional in microwave chemistry.
Today, there are increasing demands of rapid and efficient microwave sample preparation instrument with high productivity. However, the present high-throughput microwave digester on the market are those which may bear low pressure, be easy to be leaked, may heat unevenly, and expensive to use, etc. Based on Master 40, which is launched in 2010, Sineo further develops microwave sample preparation equipment to an unprecedented level in 2012. The new Master 70 Vessel Ultra High Throughput Closed Microwave Digestion Extraction Workstation.
We are distributors of Sineo. We trust Sineo because of its quality and experience. As close business partners, we hope to grow along with Sineo in the future.
Master 70 is an achievement of Sineo after profound accumulation on the research of microwave chemistry instrument for 20 years and its core technologies such as the design of composite fiber outer vessel, high throughput digestion rotor, piezoelectric crystals pressure sensor, and other patent technology, all shows Sineo's innovations and breakthroughs for the industry. The high-throughput vessel frame may homogenize the microwave field inside the chamber with the turning and stirring of frame vessel. Therefore, up to 70 high-throughput vessels can be heated evenly in the microwave field. Instead of safety membrane and other consumables, Sineo applies quantified vertical blast safety bolt design, requiring samples be closed completely and triggers a vertical quantitative explosion, thus ensuring no danger to safety. Sineo acquires durable piezoelectric crystal pressure sensor which can measure and control the pressure under 12 megapascals. There is no twisting, sealing joint or leakage of the short cable. Such technology allows easy operation and avoids cross-contamination compared to air pipe technology. The patented technology of junction box, instead of rotating back and forth in 360 degrees, allows the vessel carousel turning in one direction without a break, resulting in an even heating. The high-throughput vessel, being connected by the high-tensile alloy drawbar, may withstand great pressure, less than or equal to 4 megapascals and less than or equal to 250 degrees Celsius. Sineo used high-tensile invincible aerospace composite fiber outer vessel, can withstand pressure of 10,000 psi and temperature of 600 degrees Celsius. The temperature inside the digestion vessel may be monitored entirely by the composition of PT sensor and IR scanning. Meanwhile, Master Series adopt advanced high-efficiency inverter microwave power supply and the continuous non-pulse microwave heating technology. The cushioning design of the 6-story steel structure, auto-floating explosion-proof door, the electrical and mechanical door locks, and the self-checking system, all designed for the passive safety protection. one for all. This Master Series product may suit different digestion vessel sets and satisfy the requirements of users in different industries and application areas with different quantity, temperature pressure bearing capacities, and volume flexibility. 1540 vessel configuration satisfies most of the application need, while the 70 vessel being well received by the users in geological industry, sanitary inspection, and environmental monitoring. Convenient operation tools may lessen the working burden and increase efficiency. Flexible trolley helps the operators to place a heavy rotary table and avoid contacting the high temperature, high pressure, and acidic digestion vessel directly. The electric tool with fixed moment to close and open the digestion vessel can make this operation rapid and simple.